I'm very glad to announce that we have, for the first time at FICCI Frames, the celebrated actress Kajal amongst us. Why aren't we seeing enough of you as on the big screen as yet? Why has there been such a long gap? What's the real reason?
The real reason? The real reason?
Yeah, the real reason. We like facts here, not fiction.
Right. Not to say that I've ever given you fiction, but what the hell. Anyways, but I think just the fact that I had a baby and I wanted to be there. I had the financial choice to be at home with my kid, and I wanted to bring him up.
So you basically, that's what you've always done. You've always, in a certain sense, you haven't behaved like a committed artist in that sense, because you've always kind of...
I've not been that ambitious, basically.
No, you've always prioritized your personal life over and above your professional existence. True?
Yes.
I would love to, but it's just, as when I read a book, it's just so bloody difficult to sit down and think of, writing something. I mean, you write in your diary and you're like thinking 10 times before you write down, you jot down something in your diary. It's so difficult. But yes, I would love to write a book. A for one, we had a less judgmental audience. And we had a much more, everybody was given that chance to grow. At least I was given that chance to grow and come into my own. For that matter, I believe that today it's this, do or die kind of generation that we have today. And once you're judged, you're judged. That is it. You get an either it's an A or a Z on your report card in your first film itself. So it's a way more scary time to be a newcomer, really. हम लोग 100 साल complete कर रहे हैं, एक बहुत ही बड़ी बात है. और as far as he's concerned, yes, we celebrate it every day, but the fact that our film industry has lasted so long, that in itself is something to celebrate. Yes, so I think it's like it's like saying how many years have you had independence? Our country has lasted that long. We have got independence for so long, and today we are celebrating 100 years. That means we have lasted this long and we have made that much of history.